A lot of day trading involves strategy. To be a successful trader, you must have a well-defined strategy and a solid understanding of market action before you begin day trading. Reading books authored by professionals who have mastered the art of trading is the best approach to gain knowledge about how the market moves. You can find the best day trading books in this article. Previously we talked about financial freedom. Today we are here to tell you about the best beginner books on day trading. It is going to be so much informative video, so stay tuned till the end and subscribe for more information. Day trading books are another excellent resource for learning about trading. For novice traders and those with modest trading balances, these books can be quite beneficial. Simply said, day trading is a sort of trading that takes place on the same trading day. It is the quickest type of trading and can bring you substantial earnings quickly. Furthermore, day trading can be stressful and risky, but it can also be incredibly successful if you know what you're doing. When you buy and sell financial products on the same trading day, just before the market shuts, you are day trading. It is a type of speculative activity that involves the purchasing and selling of securities. Several aspects, like as the trader's time horizon, the kinds of assets traded, the positions held, and the usage of leverage, set it apart from longer-term trading. Let's first discuss some important lessons learned from day trading before delving into the top day trading books. The top 10 day trading books that can help you start trading financial markets. For traders trying to make their first profit or for seasoned traders looking to increase their profits, day trading books can be a helpful learning resource. The top day trading books are listed below. Number 10. A Beginner's Guide to Day Trading Online. One of Tony Turner's greatest trading books is A Beginner's Guide to Day Trading Online. Greg Capra, CEO of Pristine.com, articulately stated that reading this book is the best way to understand how the market functions and how to use it to your advantage. To put it another way, the financial markets are incredibly unstable and unpredictable. Because of this, detailed market knowledge may be a requirement for profitable trading. Additionally, Tony Turner's book will be very helpful to you if you want to know all the details of the market. You'll get all the most recent and pertinent facts from this book. Number 9. Day Trading for Dummies. The best book to determine whether day trading is right for you is this one. The book discusses day trading from the inside out and is written in a clear, straightforward manner. Additionally, both traditional and contemporary trading tactics are covered in this book. And C. Logue also explains how to use both fundamental and technical analysis to assess your day trading. He also demonstrates how to construct a long-term portfolio by using short-term trading efficiently. Additionally, readers can see a list of typical errors that traders make every day. To put it another way, this book has a lot of information for those who wish to learn day trading quickly and effectively. Number 8. Interactive Day Trading, Ultimate Trading Guide. Everything from getting started, technical trading, company fundamentals, step-by-step trading checklist, and numerous stock finding methods are covered in this book. Features tests and video tutorials to assist traders understand each idea. This book is special since it has a lot of illustrations. In addition to this, the book is presented in general words, and a video course is also provided so that readers may fully comprehend each topic. Number 7. Technical Analysis of Financial Markets, a comprehensive guide to trading methods and applications. This book, written by John J. Murphy, is well known and a fantastic place to start when day trading. This book is a comprehensive reference work that explains trading theory and technical analysis in simple terms. To support its arguments, it uses graphs and charts. You learn the value of technical analysis and chart reading through the technical analysis of several financial markets. Candlestick charting, intermarket linkages, and stock rotation are all covered. Number 6. The Truth About Day Trading Stocks. Written by Josh DiPietro, The Truth About Day Trading Stocks is a book. It paints a realistic picture of the dangers of day trading. You are aware that day trading is a career with significant risk. Without the necessary training and preparation, no one can become an expert in this field. Prior knowledge of self-control, caution, consistency, and loss prevention is essential. based on the author's personal expertise and experience, this book. Additionally, this novel is written in an alluring and frequently hilarious style. The best day trading books list should also contain this book. Number 5. Start Day Trading Now. The best day trading book that makes day trading simple is Start Day Trading Now by Michael Sincere. This book was written by Michael Sincere with the assumption that the reader knows nothing. The fundamental distribution of day trading is covered in this book. Additionally, as the majority of the book is about technical analysis, all of its jargon has been explained. Number 4. Mastering the Trade. One of the best books is Mastering the Trade by John Carter. You will learn a lot about day trading from this book. The reason this book is so large, it has 500 pages, is because every idea is thoroughly described there. Additionally, it has a number of crucial components, such as a pre-market checklist for evaluating recent market activity. Additionally, the book discusses risk management and the security of investments extensively. Carter also discusses the psychological factors of trading in addition to the foregoing. Number 3. High Probability Trading. The author of High Probability Trading books is Marcel Link. One of the best day trading books, it is extraordinary. How to play it safe is taught in this book. The best resource for aspiring traders to lower their chances of bankruptcy and become successful traders is this book, in addition. This book also teaches readers how to set up transactions, what to trade, and many other things. Explains how to create a solid money management strategy while taking risk considerations into account. The best day trading book is this one because it covers practically all of its topics. Number 2. The Disciplined Trader. Because it covers all aspects of trading psychology, this book is among the best ones for day traders. Douglas emphasizes that there are some mental factors that motivate us to carry out better social work. In business, they frequently prove to be obstacles. This book explains how to become a better trader. Additionally, it explains how to cultivate and mold attitudes and behaviors that can overcome psychological barriers and promote achievement. Number 1. Range Trading. Michael Young's book Range Trading is a comprehensive, step-by-step manual on range trading. Young starts right at the beginning with the fundamentals of trading both inside and outside of the range. This book starts off by defining range trading and describing how it operates. Additionally, this book highlights a variety of trading hazards and how to reduce them. The focus of this book is a comprehensive range of trading examples with charts and diagrams. Range Trading is a fantastic day trading book that certainly merits inclusion on the list of the top day trading books. Which book are you going to read?